Today we're going to be making a smoothie, and my name is Devin Eubinger. Needing for what kind of smoothie we're going to be making today are orange juice, 1 medium banana, a half cup ice, 4 frozen strawberries, a half cup orange juice, 1 cup plain or vanilla yogurt, and the most important ones, a blender, or if you're not allowed to or don't have a blender, you can use a Ziploc bag, like a tight one, and a rolling pin. You can put all your ingredients in the Ziploc bag and then use the rolling pin. But today I'm going to be using my blender. I call her the monster. And a cup, because how you can drink it, and a straw if you want. But first, we're going to be putting in our 1 medium banana. So, and I'm going to take the lid off. Okay. I usually break it into chunks. Okay, and next we have our half cup ice. God. Our 4 frozen strawberries. And you can put 5 if you want a little extra taste. But right now I'm just going to be putting 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A half a cup of orange juice. Okay. Put your 100% orange juice, and you need a half cup, 1/2 cup. Now we're going to be doing our 1 cup of, I have vanilla yogurt. You can also use plain if you, and so we have our 1 cup of vanilla yogurt or plain. And let me move this out of the way. Get as much as you possibly can. Okay. And now, here's where all the magic happens. The blender, or Ziploc bag and rolling pin. If you don't have parent supervision. Okay, Miss Monster, let's work. That's about done. Okay, and I do have some left over, but I will probably give that to my brother, or just have it stored in the fridge in a container for later. Okay, and cheers everyone, let's try it. I'd give it 2 thumbs up. everybody. Enjoy.